dear friends, how's it going? I'm Dave, the Dazzling Dragonfly, and what is today's tantalizing topic in this episode of Bugged Out? Today's topic is the structure of the leaf. Here we are on the surface of the leaf. This is the petiole, the short stem that attaches the leaf to the whole plant. It leads to the midrib, the major vein of the leaf that is always in the middle. The midrib will then branch into many other veins called branching veins. They are vital because they transfer all the minerals and water that helps the leaf survive. Finally, the green surface is called the lamina, which is the skin of the leaf. It's waxy and waterproof, so minimum water is lost. Okay, let's head inside the leaf.
The entrance that I opened is called the stomata. It is an opening that allows carbon dioxide into the leaf and water and oxygen out of the leaf. They are always at the bottom of the leaf in order to prevent the loss of water. The stomata is always controlled by guard cells.
Hello Dragonfly, you must be a visitor. We control the stomata gap. During daytime, we open the stomata, but once it's nighttime, we close it.
Thanks for the info, bye!
Have a safe journey.
We are now in the spongy mesophyll layer, one of the major areas of photosynthesis. Please don't be bugged out by the big word. It is the entire process of how plants make food, and it consists of a series of reactions. This can be represented in this equation. Carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight equals glucose and oxygen. The chlorophyll in the chloroplast absorb the sunlight for photosynthesis to take place, and the roots absorb the water. The glucose will be used for respiration, and some will be stored as starch, while oxygen is merely a byproduct.
I am the vein. It is the same thing that we saw outside earlier and is made up of xylem and phloem. The xylem carries water and minerals up from the roots to the leaf, while the phloem carries sugar and starch from the leaf to the stem for storage. I make everything so convenient.
That's right, I bet you do.
Welcome to Palisade Palace, a vital food production industry. Without us, this plant would die. I am a palisade cell, and do you know all the adaptations?
No, please tell me.
You see how we are packed closely together? You see how many chloroplasts we contain? You see our cylindrical shape? All this is to absorb as much sunlight as possible. With this much sunlight, photosynthesis would be so much more efficient.
Thank you so much. This is the final part of the leaf, which is the upper epidermis. It's very similar to the lower epidermis, and its use is to protect the leaf. The cells here are very thin, transparent, and contain no chloroplast, so it won't block any sunlight. I'm afraid our time is up. Let's head back. That's all, my friends. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.